Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a real quick look at two brand new Sunseeker motorhomes, the 2400B and the 2400T. Both are on the Mercedes chassis diesel engine. The 2400B that we're getting ready to walk into first is the most recent up-to-date version, so it does have the new cabinetry in it. So it will look a little different cabinetry-wise compared to the other one we're getting ready to show you. So let's step up in here first, and then we'll spin back around the outside. So going on up into this one here. This one was ordered with the optional power theater seat here instead of the traditional sofa that belongs there. So you can do either or. Kind of looking up top here, we have a turbo exhaust fan, skylight, there's a couple speakers in here, ducted air conditioning. Looking over this direction here, you have the JBL stereo system, and then you also have your control panel now. So this is also changed up a little bit on the new 2023 version that you're seeing here over last year's version. New cabinet color, solid surface countertops in here a little different, floor color a little different. Convection microwave, so you can cook or microwave either one. You have 2-burner gas stovetop, 12-volt refrigerator here, 10.7 cubic foot. Pretty good amount of cabinet space in the back. Queen bed here. Now the bed and the cabinet here in the middle and your sofa over here are all on one slide, so you push a button for that to come in and out. We'll spin back around here looking toward the foot of the bed here. There's a 12-volt TV right there, and then your digital thermostat for your propane furnace and your air conditioner. Over here we have our bathroom area here. So there's a vent fan up there, there's AC duct in here, heat duct in here, you have a step-in shower, foot flush toilet. Let's squeeze in here and look the other direction. So you got a decent sized medicine cabinet here. Little sink area down here. Then this unit was ordered with the optional Traeger cap over top of the cab area there. So you have a little bit of cabinet space there, and you also have that TV mounted there. That TV's on a swing arm. If you do the standard version, there would be kind of a loft bunk over top of that area. The chassis seats will actually spin around like they're looking at us here and allow you to use them during the daytime. You have the push button start, like a digital screen here in the middle. Has nav built in as well on these Mercedes chassis. Backup camera also on there, along with side cameras so you can see down the sides as well. Now again, I have done a video on this model a while ago. I'll put a link in the description down below that goes into more detail on the motorhome. Kind of opens all the cabinets and storage compartments and things like that. So you can check that out if you're looking into more detail. It was on the older version of it, but the same basic floor plan and premise is still the same. Some speakers up here, water heater, furnace exhaust out here, some storage down below. Does have a lane departure detect system on there as well to try and help alert you if you're kind of getting over the lines. Hitch on the back, gas line hookup on the back. Little outside utility shower here. Generator in the back corner back here. Some storage down below as well. Propane tank up here. This was ordered with one of the two optional paint jobs. So you have this one, and then there's a lighter paint, and then there's just the white fiberglass version. So you got 3 different looks depending on the price point you want to be at that you could go with. Slide out awning cover over top of the slide is standard. And again, ordered with the Traeger cap, so it doesn't have the top kind of extruding out over the windshield like the bed model would. So depending on how you order it, it's gonna maybe look a little different on the front here. Now this one over here, this is the 2400T floor plan. Now again, this one here has the old wood decor in it, so please don't pay attention to that part because you can't get it anymore. It'll look wood-wise like the one we were just in. But just kind of walking around here, this was ordered with the same paint job. Going on up in here, I left these cab seats facing forward just so you could kind of see what that looks like. So now here in this one, we have a large slide out here as well. This was also ordered with an optional power theater seat. But back here in the back, it's changed up a little bit different. The bed is actually a fold up and down bed. So right now it's in sofa mode, but you can drop that down and bring your bed out. Now kind of looking here, counters basically stayed about the same. Again, wood cabinets are a completely different color. You can't get this color anymore. Same JBL stereo system here. This is no longer here. It's going to have the control panel like you've seen in the first one. So a little bit of difference there. But again, basic floor plan, still the same. 10.7 cubic foot fridge, 12-volt TV, quite a bit of cabinet space there. Now they moved the bathroom all the way across the back instead of just in the back corner. So your bathroom changes up a little bit. You do feel like you have a little more room in this bathroom here than the other one I was just in. And with the bed flipping up out of the way, it does feel and look a little more roomier in here as well. But the question is, do you like the bed flipping up, or do you rather have more of a permanent bed? Now kind of the same thing here. Cab area, basically the same. Your seats will flip around. This one here I have lit up so you can kind of see what it looks like a little bit better here. And then if you would rather have the bunk over top, that feature is the standard. This Traeger cap design is the option. So you tell me, what do you guys like the best here? Floor plan wise, which one would you prefer if you're traveling around, moving around a lot? Would you rather have the 2400B or the 2400T? Same setup basically on the back. You got the hitch, the gas line hookup back here. It does have camera on the back and side, slide topper. Again, both models have generators. But overall, both are very nice. You pick, which do you like? Let me know in the comments down below. Be sure to check out the folks at Couch's RV Nation, guys. They are one of the largest internet discount dealers in the country. Will definitely save you a ton of money on a new RV. Thanks again.